for decade.
Sweet Radio 97.7.
Okay, Adda kami Manen, karuba.
Okay, basahin man may isang feedback balong. Kunana?
Kunana dyan nag-requested dati larin-larin na kanawa kanta. Kunana naglagan tirik nak manong numangag kutikan tayo. God bless manong. Sapay kumatag tultuloy lat ti programa yo. To'y nagkablaaw, Derek Salonga, ti Baluarte, Santiago City.
Of course, thank you very much Mitken kakabsat. Adda kayo ditang dumdum nga. Isa talagamot nga. No kasano kalagan tirik nam, kastamat kada kami. Aglalog
Naka-overwhelmed.
Wow, ako ta English man dahil ta impana man.
Nagbasak ta tayo ti Webster nga dictionary ka.
Namuna ta apo, nasurok nga doga asot apo ti online tatay. Nga dumdum nga kada kami. Kat siguro na kita tutuma.
Medyo abroad ya.
Weekly signal da iso nga nag-drop down to 178 listeners. Apo talaga mat nga nagsayaat ni Apo ta nagaduti dumdumngag kadata. Nga road padasin naman ti kumanda ti English tata.
English.
Okay. Ay kagapo ta paborito mo digiti na natay nga tao may saman nga piyesa nga nagapo iti Pimusayan, the king of jukebox of the Philippines, ladies and gentlemen, Eddie Peregrina.
Me tight, don't say goodbye. I want to be with you tonight. Don't say a word, just hold my hand. Just stay with me, don't say goodbye. I love you too. Don't you know this heart of mine just beats for you. You'll always be the only one until I die. Don't say goodbye. When you're with me, I'm not afraid to face the world that is so cruel. Hold me tight, don't say goodbye. I want to be with you tonight. Don't say a word, just hold my hand. Just stay with me, don't say goodbye. When you're with me, I'm not afraid to face the world that is so cruel. Hold me tight, don't say goodbye. I want to be with you tonight. Don't say a word, just hold my hand. Just stay with me, don't say goodbye. Just stay with me, don't say goodbye.
Sa mga native dance. Philippines has a great history according to our geography. Manila is the capital city. That is none from the other country. Metro Manila, Quezon City, Caloocan, Pasay, Makati, Marikina, Pasig, Zapote, Malabon, Las Piñas, Parañaque. From the north, Batanes, Apari, Ilocos Sur, Ilocos Norte, Isabela, Cagayan Valley, Mountain Province, La Union, Baguio City, Nueva Ecija, Nueva Vizcaya, Tarlac, Pangasinan, Pampanga, Zambales, Bataan, Abra, Bulacan, Cavite, Batangas, Laguna. Now let's go to the southern Luzon, Camarines Norte, Quezon, Batanes, Masbate, Sorsogon, and we at 3 islands more. Mindoro, Marinduque, Romblon, then down to Visayan shore, famous of its sugar, coconut and corn. Ay, Cebu, Mactan, Mandawi, ay, Bohol, Samar, Leyte, ay, Iloilo, Capiz, Aklan, Antique, Palawan, Negros, Bacolod, Siquijor, Dumaguete. Now let's go to the land of promise, the land of Mindanao. Bukidnon, Sambuanga, Misamis, Mambahaw, Butuan, Agus, ang Surigao, Cagayan de Oro, Iligan, Osamis, and the 3 provinces of Davao. Davao, Sol Oriental del Norte, Cotabato, Lanao, Solo, Tawi-Tawi. Ay, Philippines has a great history. Ay, Manila is the capital city. Ay, all tourists are invited to see. According to our geography, Philippines is a beautiful country. Apo, dahil taka, nagapumakin ni King of Novelty, ni Yoyoy Villamen. Kat ate nga upubing nga Yoyoy, madinsamo pumayag nga kumanta. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, dading orti upubing nga Yoyoy Villamen.
Tayo tatay ka, dahil Yoyoy Villamen. On March 16, 1521, when Philippines was discovered by Magellan, they were sailing day and night across the big ocean until they saw a small Limasawa Island. Magellan landed in Limasawa at noon. The people met him very welcome on the shore. They did not understand the speaking they had done, because Kastilagid at waray-waray man. When Magellan landed in Cebu City, Rahawabon met him, they were very happy. All people were baptized and built the Church of Christ, and that's the beginning of our Catholic life. When Magellan visited in Mactan to Christianize them, everyone, but Lapu-Lapu met him on the shore and drive Magellan to go back home. Then Magellan got so mad, ordered his men to come by floods. Mactan Island we could not grab, cause Lapu-Lapu is very hard. Then the battle began at dawn, bullets and spears versus guns and cannons. When Magellan was hit on his neck, he stumbled down and cried, oh mother, mother, I am sick. Call a doctor very quick. Doctor, doctor, shall I die? Please tell my mama, do not cry. Tell my mama, do not cry. Tell my mama, do not cry.
Okay, that's the end of Magellan in the island of Mactan long time ago, ladies and gentlemen. Gaputa, dagitikinan siyon tagat medyo novelty. Apan tamati formal kadandani nga malpas si oras tan para kada kayo amin apo nga dumdum nga giti adda kami manen for the duo para kada kayo amin kata apo medyo ikadamyo basit adito 97.7 Sweet Radio Santiago City iti Air Supply. patay na ibilag.
Underneath all you feel, you know how deep our love could be. Tonight we'll touch until it's time to go. Then I'm leaving it up to you. Even a fool would know that I'm not through. I can do so much for you. I want you, having you near me, holding you near me. I want you to stay and never go away. It's so right having you near me, holding you near me. I love you tonight, it feels so right, feels so right.
Apo, naitiyapan tayo cellphone ko. Napasak tayo uding nga text message. Nagkapukin ni Engineer Rodrigo Terte. Walang na Rodrigo Terte, ha?
I want you, having you near
Thank you very much for tuning in, Sir Terte.
holding you near me. I want you to stay and never go away. It's so right having you near me, holding you near me. I love you tonight, it feels so right, feels so right.
Apo, may isa pa yung classic love song. Dated mo kanyo. Tatay Air Supply. Tata.
Kenny Rankin.
Kenny Rankin mo. Dated to Sweet Radio. Para kada kiti lumlumtaang. I've been so alone all my life. Couldn't give my heart to anyone. Hiding myself was a man who needed to be held like everyone. Days move into years. I look for one between the tears. You never ever found me. Never ever found me. Yes, I did seem to grasp its trust. They surely will call the time. So I hid inside till I almost died. Yes, I hid inside and I cried. A loving heart in a sensitive man, hiding inside myself. Then you came out of nowhere. I could not believe my heart.
Kasi na.
Wala. Didn't know how to tell you. Didn't know where to start. When I hid inside, I almost died. Oh, I hid inside and I cried. Pagkulibig tabasit, maudi nga sunatan, kaaruba, medyo nasakit tinaka, miso nga nabuntog dagiti kantami, lukas to yung pumakada kami, kasla po, nagngato tatay ti energy, tas biglang agpipin nakada tayo, talaga nga medyo nasakit tinaka. Mumurong pa inukas ta, Adda kami tumanan, ito Domingo, with your manong Jun and
ading yung John Mark
nga mang
Pastor.
diti liwliwakan.
Katawa.
Ayan, itilaso dito mga oras, isong arod nga apo, isagsagana yung muntuman ng dagiti pagbagiyo, kada dito maudi nga sunata mi apo, may saman nga Tagalog, no maipara kita mi nga iti Ilocano apo kat mabalin, o rin nga inya nga pagipurpurwakam, mabalin lata, mabiyag lata. Nga rod, may isang nga Tagalog, iti panawan ni Manang ko Felicia. Oh, from Sing Sing. God bless everyone. Okay, isang tingin mo lang para na kung tinutunan.
Basta bigis lang yan.
Pag ika'y lumapit na, ang dibdib ko'y puro kaba. Isang halik mula ang mundo ko'y nagugunaw. Pag ako'y niyakap mo, kalas lahat ng buto ko. Ako ay talagang patay sa'yo. Sa true love mo ako mahihimlay. Babe, ano nga bang tunay na sikreto mo? At ako ay nabihag mo ng gusto. Ako'y malunod na. Oh babe, ako ay talagang patay sa'yo. Sa true love mo ako mahihimlay. Babe, ano nga bang tunay na sikreto mo? At ako ay nabihag mo ng gusto. Oh babe, isang ngiti mo lang, pawin na ang aking buhay. Huwag ka lamang tatawa, baka ako'y malunod na. Okay, once again, dahil iti Manong yu Jun.
Yan ating yung John Mark.
Mangi pagbagakata kayo.
Adda kam to Manen. Ay, kano. Sige.
Okay, God bless us all.
Sumarnon ti top 20 countdown with DJ Hans.
And DJ Hans.
Sweet Radio 97.7 #The Big Sweet.